When one battery is not enough, you need two, because two are better than one. Basically, a customer used a winch once, and he almost killed his other battery. So we're gonna install another battery in a dual battery system from TJM. So we got it welded, we got it painted, and we're gonna go install it. Bam. So obviously, guys, what you're seeing here is all custom. It's all custom bracketry, but if there's a lot of interest in these things, we could make it like a production little line, you know? Fits like a glove. Okay, the box is built, welded, and painted, and installed. Check this out, guys. I like it so much, I think I might do this for myself. Alright, guys, we finished the battery tray and the dual battery system. Now we're onto the suspension. We're going to do a caster correction bushings. In my hands is a bag of caster correction bushings. What does that mean? I will show you. Alright, I'm going to try to demonstrate why you need these things. So this is your normal height when the vehicle is not lifted. Everything's nice, axle's nice and plumb. When you lift the vehicle, let's say 2 or 3 inches, boom, there it is. This is where it was, now here it is. So the axle itself is now towards the ground more. This is the ground level. So we have to correct it back to where it's supposed to be, and this is what helps you to correct it. Actually, the other way. There you go. Boom. We have the caster correction bushings in front of us. We got the old ones out. Now we're going to be installing them. Now you're thinking, well, how do I know where to put them? Well, that's where, when you buy this kit, it comes with a little piece of paper. You can lay it down its actual size, and it shows you where to position the offset bushings. I'm going to put a little bit of lube, that way it goes in easier. Alright guys, we got the lower control arms on with caster correction bushings, and now we need to install a little spacer underneath the spring so it gives him a little lift, just temporary until he actually wants to spend a lot of money on the good suspension. Alright guys, you can purchase a leveling kit spacer along with a caster correction bushing for your FJ80. Visit us at CAtuned offroad.com.